Welcome to the Customer Information System, better known as CIS. This system provides you with valuable insight into your accounts and your policyholders. This information will help you make great business decisions. This short demonstration will introduce you to the system and its powerful features, which give you the tools to search and view results for account or policyholder information. We will begin with the Account Profile feature. The Account Information screen provides several options, such as account statistics, associate servicing, billing and payment information, relationships, call history, and wellness benefit history. Let's take a look at some of the most popular options in more depth. Need to search for account information? Well, we've got you covered. From the main Account Profile screen, you can perform smart searches or refined account profile searches. The Account Profile search page provides 3 smart search options. Accounts with no production in the last 60 days, accounts with no business written in 24 months or more, and new accounts with no business yet written. And a My Account Search quick link that displays a list of all accounts you are the primary assisting on. If you want to refine your My Account search, you can simply click the My Accounts tab and enter additional criteria. For example, you could limit your search to an account name that starts with curves in the state of Georgia. The results will be displayed in the center of the search results page. To change or modify your search, simply select either Refine or New Search tabs. Lastly, if you want to see all accounts that show you in the hierarchy, select the Accounts in My Hierarchy button. When selected, this option will display a list of all accounts within your hierarchy without any additional search criteria required. Now, once you've selected an account, information related to the account will be displayed. Account profile data such as contact names, addresses, telephone numbers, and broker information is shown at the top of the page. Billing data, cafeteria plan dates, AP employee count, and whether the account is a multi-location or complex account is shown in the Account Information section in the center of the screen. CIS also provides important statistical information, such as employee and account penetration levels, lines of business with associated policy counts and AP. This is great information to review before servicing a dormant account. The Account Statistics screen displays the employee count and the penetration rates, along with the lines of business being offered. This information is useful not only to enroll new employees, but at re-enrollment as well. Having knowledge of penetration rates and current lines of business is very helpful when you're assigned to an inactive account for servicing. The Associate Servicing section of the Account Profile allows you to review the service history of an account and record detailed activity as you interact with accounts on an ongoing basis. The Service Record option keeps track of all accounts service. History is displayed in the middle of the page. Notes can be edited by clicking the Edit button next to each remark. To enter a new service record, click the orange Add New Service Record button and enter the information called for. This section is vital for keeping track of in-person visits, telephone and email conversations you've had with the employees, claims you've helped with, and requests awaiting follow-up. All associates in the hierarchy for this account can see your notes. This helps eliminate double work and miscommunication. For example, you can record the date of service, servicing activity, and account contact information. In addition, you can update the account's authorized lines of business and record open enrollment start and end dates. This information will be at your fingertips the next time you plan to service the account. The Account Notes option is useful for recording items of immediate interest, such as dates and locations of an upcoming re-enrollment. Also, we've added a reminder feature. You can add reminders similar to entries on an electronic calendar. This is an excellent way to track key activities in an account that relate to service, like enrollment date and location reminders, point of contact birthdays, follow-up reminders on claims you've assisted with, and much more. If you decide to add a reminder note, you may also enter the frequency of the note and start and end dates for the action as well. Reminders are sent through Aflac Anywhere alerts to your us.aflac.com email address. For example, if the primary contact is not available on Wednesdays, to save this information, simply select Note Only in the note type and enter your note and click Save. Account reminders, on the other hand, send a notice to your Aflac Anywhere email account reminding you to perform a task. For example, you may want to send the primary contact a birthday card every year. All you have to do is enter your reminder in the text box, select Reminder Note as the note type, and enter the date you want to receive the reminder. Then simply click Save. The billing and payment information section provides 2 levels of detail. The first level contains account billing information such as the account's billing frequency and mode, the invoice line count, the account's deduction frequency, and whether or not the account is in online services. From this screen, you can navigate to the details on the Last Invoices screen, which lists the invoice number, status, amount billed, and pay dates for the last 6 invoices. The Relationships tab is very important. By clicking on Relationships, you can see a list of the primary servicing associate and his or her hierarchy, plus any assisting associates assigned to the account. If you've got questions about something that happened in an account, or if you need someone to help with servicing, the Relationships tab gives you an idea of who can help. If you click on any of the associates listed, you will find their contact information, including phone numbers and email addresses. The Call History link does just what you think it does. It is a repository for the call details logged at worldwide headquarters when your accounts contact the customer service center. You can see the date, the headquarters tracking number, the name of the caller, and the reason for the call. Not only is this good information to know for your regular accounts, but it's very valuable for inactive accounts that are assigned to you. After all, how much easier will your introduction to the point of contact be if you lead with the knowledge of a challenge they've recently encountered and offer help to resolve those issues? Finally, let's take a look at the Wellness Benefit History tab. You now have at your fingertips access to wellness information for the past 3 years. You can view all policyholders in the group, or you can sort by various categories. As you prepare for an enrollment or a re-enrollment, you can review all individuals listed under the Wellness Not Filed category ahead of time. Then, as you sit with that employee, you will be able to remind them to file an unclaimed wellness benefit. Oh, and one more thing. You can now save the account profile to a PDF file by simply clicking on the disk icon in the top right corner of the account profile. Once selected, the account profile will be displayed in PDF form. From there, you can save it to your hard drive or print it. The Aflac Customer Information System gives you instant access to the policyholder information you need to maintain a close relationship with your clients. To access a policyholder profile, simply enter the person's last name and at least one of 3 other pieces of information, such as their date of birth, social security number, or policy number. Then click on the Search tab to begin your search. You will then see a listing of all policies matching your criteria. To open a policyholder profile, simply select a policy from the list provided. You'll then be able to view a variety of information related to the selected policy. From the basic information screen, you can see the line of business, status, paid to date, bill form, and premium. The policyholder's address is also visible from this screen. The Policy Benefits screen displays information related to benefit codes and cafeteria plan status. This is especially important in case the policyholder wants to make a mid-year change to a pre-tax benefit. Long-time or multiple policyholders may get confused about which policies are active at any given time. By clicking on the Conversion History link, you can see which policies have been converted, which policies are current, and which policies were surrendered during the conversion. The Relationships tab in Policyholder Profile works exactly the same as the Relationships tab in the Account Profile. It shows the writing associate for the policy and his or her hierarchy. Also, like the account profile, the call history link in the policyholder profile populates with dates, tracking numbers, and call reasons each time a policyholder contacts Worldwide Headquarters for assistance with his or her policy or to get help filing a claim. Policy Notes operates like account notes. From here, you can add notes about contact with a policyholder, claims filed, requests for information, and much more. You can add a new note by clicking the orange Add New Policy Note link. From here, you can add a note or a reminder by simply selecting one of two options. Policy notes are accessible only when you are in the policyholder profile and are used to prepare for your next servicing appointment. For example, a policyholder may have recently had a child and you want to congratulate her the next time you speak with her. You can note the policy for future reference simply by selecting the Note Only option, entering your note, and clicking the Save button. Policy reminders, on the other hand, send a notice to your Aflac Anywhere email account, reminding you to perform a task. For example, one of your policyholders may have recently broken his leg. You may want to check in on him once a week to see how he is doing. All you have to do is enter your reminder in the text box, select Reminder Note as the note type, and enter the date you want to receive the reminder. Then simply click Save. Thank you for taking the time to learn a little bit more about CIS. We believe this system will help you provide the world-class service your accounts and policyholders have come to expect from Aflac. We value your feedback. If you have any suggestions for improving CIS, please contact us.